3D monitor and graphical analysis. Your device will direct you to the screen after scanning, so you can examine the graphics you have obtained with three-dimensional ground scanning in detail. On this screen, you will see 3D graphics of the data you have collected in the center. The color bar on the right gives information about the soil that was scanned. In the 3D viewer function, the buttons on the device have some functions. These are: with Mode button, you can switch between different types of analysis. With Up, Down, Left, Right direction buttons, you can turn the graph up, down, left, and right. Move the graph and go through each square in the Details page. With Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons, you can make the graph bigger or smaller to examine in detail. With OK button, you can turn on and off the grid on the graph. Squares on this grid correspond to each of your search signals. Back button allows you to go back to the main screen from 3D viewer function. Start button allows you to display your graph as wireframe. This view allows you to analyze the data in more detailed lines. There are 4 different graph analysis features on the 3D viewer function. 3D rotation. You can use the direction buttons on the device to rotate your graph left, right, and up, down. This way, you can see your graphic from different angles. 3D pan. You can examine your graph and the colors closely by zooming in. You can move the graph left and right, up and down with the direction buttons and go through the graph. Scanning details. You can see numerical values of your data and get information about depth by choosing type of soil. You can go around the graph with direction buttons and examine the point details. Depth information. You can find out the general depth information of the measurement and see the start and end points of ground and other variables. The colors on the graph represent the following: red, metallic objects and objects with high magnetic effect; blue, filled dirt, tunnels, and cavities in the underground; green, standard soil that does not have any magnetic effects; orange and yellow, mineral substances, mineral soil, and objects that have relatively low magnetic effect.